Hey everyone. Well, it's been a couple of years since I did a run-up of the Carrier air conditioners for you guys. And I thought, since it's been about two years, and it's finally warm out, thought maybe I'd give you another run-up of them for you guys. So what we'll do is, we'll start with the first floor one, like we always do. Then we'll go to the second floor, and then we'll go, maybe I'll run them both at the same time. We'll see if that happens. And then we'll also go down to the basement once again, and you can hear a startup sound from down there, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed that. So let me go ahead and go inside and get this one going for you. I'd certainly say it started up no problem. Still got the Carrier nameplates on them. And I will have some information about new Carrier nameplates, so I'll get to that at the end, okay? But they've been on there for 4 years now, and they have not faded at all. That's really amazing. Good warmth. And there are 3-bladed fans. One of the things I like about these fans too is that they're full blades. Like, like how some of the new blades, they're like full on one side like that, but then they have like cutouts on the other side like that. I hate that design so much. I'm glad to have fan blades like this again, and 3 blades instead of 2. I like that. It'd be cool if they had 4 blades, but you'd be hard pressed to find that these days. All the coils are clean. Did cleaning all around them before the season started, so that's all good. And yeah, this thing is definitely running beautifully. Alright, so now let's go ahead and go to the second floor one. And here's the second floor air conditioner. Sorry for the weird camera angle. We just got some stuff in the way on the driveway here, so I have to kind of work my way around that. So, but anyway, it should still be okay. Alright, so let me go inside for this one and turn it on for you. As usual, starts right up, no problem. And these are both the same size units. So I think these are 3-ton, or I think 3.5 ton actually. They're again, they're both the same size, so it's a little hard to tell, which unit turns on when you're outside here. So, but it's okay. They still have a great startup sound, as you can see, and they're both single-stage units, like I say. So when they turn on, they just turn on. Compressor turns on, fan turns on right away. That's it, done deal. Maybe get some from over here too. Nice warmth. Yeah, and these, and actually what I do every spring, I have to do it, maybe I'll do it later today or sometime this week. I put a coat of wax all along the top here on this unit and that unit, so hopefully it'll help keep these, lasting longer and things like that. So, gotta do that again, either today or sometime this week. And yeah, same thing on the back here. Let me see. Yep, cleaned all along this side of the, this side of the coil was pretty dirty earlier, but I got a hose, washed it all down, so that's all good. Did the same thing with this side here. And I will say, on both units, the fan blades are extremely balanced. It's very, very nice. So, like, no shaking and things like that. All right, so that's doing all good. So now what we'll do is we'll go down to the basement, get your start up down there, and then we'll come back outside so I can talk to you about those nameplates on these things. Okay, and here we are down at the basement air handler, like we always are, right? So, same thing as before. I'll go ahead and run up and turn it on for you, and hopefully you'll get some good starting sounds on this from both the air conditioner outside and the air handler in here. So let me go run upstairs and switch it on for you. Sounds like it's running all great, wouldn't you say? And blower's on high speed, as you know, because it's in AC mode. There's the refrigerant lines right there. There's the condensate pump. And yeah, this thing's working great. And yes, if you remember, we had the not the contactor, the disconnect switch replaced in August of last year. That's still going good. And there's the zone dampers going to zone 1 like it normally is. And here's the damper board. I'm sure you're pretty familiar with this thing by now. So yeah, if you remember, in AC mode, the fan light also comes on. Not quite sure why that is, but you know, it's no big deal. It has to do with the dampers, I guess. It doesn't really affect the air handler, I don't think, so that's fine. And zone 1 is green because that's currently where it's going. Yeah, there you go. And again, one of the things I'm happy about with this setup is that the filter dryer for the refrigerant line is inside the house, not outside. So that way, you know, it's not exposed to weather and heavy sunlight, which I'm really happy about. And yeah, this filter dryer is now 4 years old. It still looks brand new. So, you know, very happy about that. And there's the drain pan, in case anything ever leaks, but it hasn't. So that's all good. And yeah, you know, now that we're in air conditioning season, I turned off the whole house humidifier at the humidistat, and I closed the air damper for it. So that's all good. Yeah, just you know me, summer/AC mode is my favorite by far. Hold the camera to the AC lines, you can probably hear them. Just hissing away. Right, there you guys go. So now let's head on back outside, and I'll talk to you about the nameplates for the air conditioners. Okay, so like I had said before, I had gotten new nameplates for the air conditioners. Here's one of them right here. I got a few of these. They're readily available from Repair Clinic. I just put the model number in, was just searching around for the hell of it, and I saw, oh, they have these. Cool, I'll get some new ones. So here's the idea I had. Each unit has a nameplate on the front here, as you can see. But what I was wondering about was, how would it look if I also added one over here on this side as well? The only problem is, I can only put these nameplates on two of the sides, because if you notice, you have a full thing of coils on this side and a full set of coils on that side. But if you look at the inner side, there's only half, because you know that compartment right there is for the contactor and the capacitor. So, but at the same time, if you notice, they set up these air conditioners in such a way where both the sides only have a small section of coils. They're both on the inside sides. You see what I'm saying? So basically, the first floor air conditioner would have a nameplate on there, and also a nameplate on here. Okay. And then the second floor air conditioner would have a nameplate on the front, and also one right here as well. So this air conditioner would have a nameplate on this side and that side, and then this one would have it on that side and that side. In a way that kind of does work, because of, you know, how both outer sides have a nameplate, but you know, you can't really put one in the inside side. So that's what was kind of making me second guess it. It's such a minor thing, guys, but I was just curious to see what, you know, if any of you guys want to throw your opinions out there on what you would think would be a good idea. Just leave it as is, or, you know, hey, who cares? Add another nameplate on both sides. Just an idea. So that's it. All right, guys, so there you go. There's the 2018 air conditioners and the air handler that you saw in the basement, and they're working great. Nice and simple models, start up right away with nothing in between. And they work fantastic, and they kind of sound like a hybrid between a reciprocating compressor and a scroll compressor when they run, which is really nice. Very glad we have these. Thank you very much for watching, and take care.